Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the TV and confirming the remote responds. This gets you into menus fast. Next, plug a source, HDMI for set-top or streaming stick, into the labeled port so inputs appear immediately. Once done, open network settings and select Wi-Fi. Enter the SSID and password carefully, because a wrong character blocks updates and app downloads. Make sure to accept terms and let the TV check for system updates before moving on to app configuration. You now set up the Android interface. Sign in with your Google account to sync apps and purchases, and enable backup if you want settings to transfer. Then personalize display. Pick picture mode, set HDMI color format, and calibrate sound using built-in equalizer or external receiver settings so audio matches the room. Next, open Play Store. Search and install essential streaming apps and a lightweight launcher if the stock UI feels slow. This makes navigation faster, and you finish by labeling inputs and enabling parental controls or bedtime timers so the TV behaves predictably for everyone. Then test each source. Play video from the streaming apps, switch HDMI inputs, and run a channel scan for antenna to confirm signal and EPG data. If playback stutters or an app crashes, restart the TV, receipt cables, and test another HDMI port. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort because it erases accounts and custom settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.